Okay, now next we will do international place value system. Okay, we have already done Indian place value system. Now we are going to do international place value system. Now this is a table given just for example, just to make understand you. Okay, here you can see three periods are given. First is ones, then thousand, and millions. Okay, if you remember, in Indian place value system there were four periods were given: ones, thousand, then lakh, and then crore. But in international place value system there are three periods: ones, thousands, and millions. In ones, as usual, hundred, tens, and ones is there. Thousands, there are three: thousand, 10,000, and 100,000. Why here 100,000? Because this value is at the place of 100. Okay, same way in millions also, million, 10 million, and 100 million, 100th million. Okay, now you can see this is 1 lakh, but they have put the comma here, so this is 100,000. But if you want to say this digit in Indian place value system, you will say 1 lakh. Is it clear? So like this all the numbers are given. This is 1 million, you can see 1 million here. 1 is at the place of million, sorry. Okay, then 0 at 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100,000, and ones, and like that other ones. Okay, so in the international system we have 9 places grouped into 3 periods. I told you, this one, ones, thousand, and millions. Okay, so millions, thousands, and ones. We start from ones, that means we are going to start from the back side. Okay, that this is ones period, and move left to the thousand, from here to move here this side, and finally the millions period will come. Okay, and each period, all the three periods, they are having three places. See, in one's place, one's period you have three place: 100,000 and ones. In thousands period also 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, and in millions 100 million, 10 million, and millions. So all the periods are having three places. Now we will see one example in this, so it will become easier for you. Write the following in words. Here it is given 1 2 3 5 1 7 8. Okay, here 1 8 3 5 7 0 9 9. Now you can see a difference. They have put the comma after three digits. Can you see here? Okay, okay, but in Indian system it is not like that. Okay, so we have to arrange these digits in the international place values chart. Now this becomes very easier when we put all these numbers into the this place value chart. Again you have to make a table like this. You have to write this ones, thousands, and millions. Okay, and in each period you have to write three places, that is 100,000 ones, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and like that. So first we will do this. What you can do, see, this 8 is at the place of 1, so you can write down here. Then this 7 at the tens value, that 1 into 100 value, 5 at the 1000 value, 3 at the 10,000 value, 2 at the 100,000 value, 1 at the million value. So how you can say this whole digit? 1 million, because 1 is at the place of million. So 1 million 200. Now 2 is at the value of 100,000. So 235,000, because the period is 1000. So 235,178. Same way we'll see this number, this one, 18 million. Why 18 million? Because 10 million. 1 is at the value place of 10 million. So 1 and 8, 18 million. 300, first we'll say 357,099. We'll not say this 0 because we cannot say 0 100, no. So 357,099. Okay, same way if you are getting right in figures, I'll say only once. 305,023,045. So now 45, so 45 at the value of tens and ones. They have not given 100 value, so there it will be 0. 23,000, so 23,000. 100,000 they have not given the value, so 0. And 305 million, so 300, that means 100 they have 7. 300, so 300 at the value of 100 million. 5 million, so tens value they have not given, so that's why we are writing 0 and 5 million, so 5 will be here. Okay, now thank you so much. Now I will give you the based on this I will give you homework also. Okay, thank you so much beta.